So now, if you take a look at this our Euro JPY, we can clearly see that Euro JPY is in an uptrend move. So basically, this is most on all JPY pairs. So this is the fact that JPY has been dropping. So any pair related or correlating to JPY will give us a bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why there is a massive bullish move on Swiss franc JPY. There's a massive bullish move on GBP JPY. There's also a massive bullish move on AUD JPY. Same thing with our New Zealand dollar JPY. So we now on this our Euro JPY, this is definitely not different. This is a massive bullish move. So now this is to tell you that for position traders, especially for traders that would want to hold your position, or if you're a trader that would like to hold your position for the next 2, 3, 4, even 5 months, now is still the best time to actually hop in for the buy as Euro JPY will still give us further movement to the upside. For swing traders also, you can still hop in for the buy. For day traders, we will be looking at it now. Now, let's start with our trend. First, we all know that before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend for that trade. So market tends to give us three movements. It's either market is trending to the upside the way it is doing now, or market is literally trending downward, or market is literally ranging. So what we are seeing right here, market is trending upward. So we add this our first high, and here comes the higher low. So market eventually give a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market pushed up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market has now pushed up again to form a new higher high. So market is currently on an higher low. So is this higher low over? We are going to check it out. Well, once this higher low is over, expect another movement that will form a new higher high. Now let's go down to the forward time frame to see if the higher low is over, which is possibly if markets drop one more time. There's a possibility that market will drop one more time here, then expect market to push up and form a new high. Or markets would most likely start pushing up from it, which I believe markets will start doing. So I believe from this level, this is my personal analysis. I believe from this level, markets should push up till it form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. But if in case market eventually give us one more sell, right, then expect market to actually push up. So we need our analysis to be flexible. You all know. Have that in mind that your analysis needs to be flexible. So if in case market drops one more time, expect another bullish move. So above all, we are still anticipating for a bullish move on Euro JPY. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know.